Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. Welcome to my class. This is grade 3rd math. In today's video, we'll start exercise 6.3. This is page number 92. Here is the first bit. Divide by the long division method and find the quotient. So what we have to do? We have to divide this number by the long division method and we have to find the quotient. So this is our first question. 18 divided by 3. So let us solve this. Okay, 18 divided by 3. First bit, first question. So ones, tens. 8, 1 divided by 3. So we have to check. 18 will come in 3. Yes. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. Okay. So 18 minus 18. 0. Okay. 18 minus 18. 0. So this 0 is remainder. And this 6 is quotient. And this 3 is divisor. And this 18 is dividend. What is the first step we are doing? Firstly, we are checking whether 18 is divisible or not. Yes, 3 6 are 18. Okay, so next step what we are doing? We are subtracting 18 minus 18. So what we are getting remainder? Okay, we are getting remainder as 0. Okay, so here quotient is 6 and remainder is 0. 3 is divisor and 18 is dividend. Okay, so this is long division method. Okay, this is long division method. Let us do the second problem. Let us do the second problem. 42 divided by 7. Okay, 42 divided by 7. Same ones, tens. 7. Okay, we should check. 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. So we have to write 6 here and we have to write 42 down. 42 minus 42, 0. So here 0 is remainder and this 6 is quotient. Okay, so this is long division method. Okay, this is long division method. In order to solve this, you have to know the multiplication table. Okay, so 7 6 are 42. If you don't know the table, you cannot solve this. So learn the table perfectly. Okay, so 7 6 are 42. 42 minus 42, 0. So this 0 is remainder and this 6 is quotient. Okay. Okay, this is the second bit. Divide each of the following into groups as directed and fill in the blanks. Okay, you do as your homework. Second bit, it's very easy. Okay, you have to check the groups and you have to check the leftover things. Okay, you do as your homework. Okay, let us start the third bit. Okay, divide and find the quotient and remainder of each of the following. So we have to find the quotient as well as we have to find the remainder. This is our first question. 42 divided by 5. So let us solve this. Okay, third bit, first question, page number 93. Okay, third bit, first question. Second bit, I have given homework to you. Okay, so third bit, first question, 42 divided by 5. Okay, ones, tens. 42 will come in 5. No, 5 8s are 40 will come. Okay, 5 8s are 40. 42 minus 40 is 2. 42 minus 40 is 2 because we are subtracting 42 minus 40 here. So now 2 minus 0 is 2. This 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, 42 minus 40 is 2. Okay, so this 2 we are considering, this is a leftover number. 2 is the leftover number. So we are considering this as remainder and this 8 is quotient. Okay, and this 8 is quotient. Okay, 5 8s are 40. So 42 minus 40 is 2. So this 2 is a leftover number. So we are considering this as remainder and this 8 is quotient. Okay, Let us do one more problem. 43 divided by 5. 43 divided by 5. Second one, 43 divided 5 ones, tens. 5 8s are 40. 43 will not come. 5 8s are 40. Okay. Next, 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. So 3 is the leftover number. So this is called, 3 is called as remainder. And this 8 is quotient, because 5 8s are 40. Okay, this 8 is quotient. Okay, 8 is quotient and remainder is 3. Okay, this is the third bit, first and second problem. Okay, third bit, third problem. Okay, 6 6 are 36. So what we have to do? We have to subtract this. 38 minus 36. So 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. So here leftover number is 2. So this 2 is remainder. And this 6 is quotient. Okay, so this 6 is quotient and 2 is remainder. Okay, so this is the third bit, third problem. Fourth one you do as your homework. Fourth question is 38 divided by 4. Okay, so you do fourth problem as your homework. Fourth bit I will explain in the next class. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.